Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your financial benefits with TD Bank, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your financial benefits with TD Bank, start by visiting the TD Bank website. Navigate to the Personal Banking section from the main menu. Look for the Accounts tab to explore various account options. Review the different types of accounts available, such as checking, savings, and investment accounts. Identify which accounts offer upgrades or enhanced benefits. Log into your existing TD Bank account using your online banking credentials. Once logged in, go to the Accounts Overview section. Select the account you wish to upgrade for better benefits. Click on the Upgrade or Change Account Type option presented. Follow the prompts to view available upgrades for your selected account. Carefully read through the features and benefits of each upgrade. Consider factors such as maintenance fees, interest rates, and bonuses. If you decide on an upgrade, click on the Choose Upgrade button. You may be required to confirm your identity for security purposes. After confirmation, review the terms and conditions associated with the upgrade. Once satisfied, accept the terms to finalize the upgrade process. Monitor your email for a confirmation message regarding your account upgrade. Check your account for the updated features to ensure everything is in place. Feel free to contact TD Bank customer service if you have any questions or concerns. Review your financial benefits periodically to ensure they align with your needs. Stay informed about any new promotions or additional benefits offered by TD Bank. Engage with their online resources to maximize your banking experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.